Look, I was just reeling it in really lazy, and I didn't even notice this little guy. Hold on. Come on. Hold up. Damn. Man, come on. Gotcha. Look at that. I don't even know if there was bait on there. Hold on. No, I don't. It looks like the bait got knocked off. See, I need to reel it in more. I put the bobber on. I usually probably wouldn't use one, but I didn't want it to get caught in that long grass, so the bobber really helps kind of yank it out of there. Look at that, at least I got something. That's right. I'm taking a video and a picture of this tiny thing. It might be all I get all day. This is a little bait fish. And I don't know too much about fishing. I'm just screwing around out here. And my mom bought this fishing life hat because all the other ones were kind of not really my thing. So I just decided to keep it because, you know, it's a free gift. So I just look like an expert out here. There's no good way to put it back, so we just gotta toss. Sorry, dude. Bye. This thing is two-wheel drive, but I'm so leaned over. Oh yeah. Oh, it's spinning both. This is so sketchy. I'm doing it with one hand. Oh. Look, I found one of my cards. It's funny, the tape stayed in the middle. It survived all that weather. Sometimes those things last like 2 months in the rain. It's crazy. I cannot believe this card has survived a month in the weather, just out here by the street. Wind, rain, everything. Scotch, that's Scotch tape. Not a single person in the parking lot. There might be undercover officers somewhere.